Hello friends, today we are going to draw a carrot. So let's start drawing the carrot. First of all, we are going to draw a body of the carrot. Like we have to draw a semi-rectangle shape. Like first of all, we have to do and draw it like that, the half of the half circle like that, and then we have to connect the other half of the circle and draw it like this, big enough so that it looks beautiful. Okay, now try to merge this part with this one, and our body of the carrot is ready. Now we're gonna draw the leaves of the carrot. First of all, we have to draw like that, and then bigger, and then we're gonna have to draw it from the connect the one line from the base of the body from here, and now bigger like that, like this, uh, like this. And now we have to draw the stem inside the leaves like this, so it looks more detailed and realistic. Okay, so we have to try to make the stem a bit thicker because we are drawing a baby carrot. So when you draw a thicker stems like that, looks more detailed. And yes, like that. And one more stem connecting it from here. Just try to draw lesser stems. Try to give it a thicker border so it look more. Yes. Now we are going to draw its eyes so it looks more cute and beautiful. One goes from here, and try to draw it in oval shape so it looks a bit like cartoon. And then we are going to draw its eyeballs inside it. Leave it a white space like that inside the eyes. Yes, and then when you draw a bigger one, underneath you have to draw a smaller circle like that and one more smaller circle like that. Okay, then we're gonna color it with the same black color. And try to be as oval as you can, because if you go circle it won't look like a cartoon character, right? So be make it as oval as possible. And now we're going to color the second eye. And so when we draw eyeballs inside it first, so it will be easier for us to color around it, so we won't get confused while doing the colors. And now our second eye is also done. Now we are going to draw its eyebrows. Try to be thicker on it, yeah, like that. And one more from here. I'll try to be thicker. Yeah, now we are going to draw a smiley face. Basically it's you like that, and try to be thicker as well over there. Yeah, so now the basic shape of our carrot is done. Now we're going to color our carrot. So I'm going to use the darker shade of the orange, this one. Okay, now we're going to draw the outlines of the carrots with these darker ones. First of all, like we're going to do the colors, not the whole of the carrot with these colors, just the outlines of it, so it will create a shadow like. Okay, yes, so all over the carrot we're going to color with these one, and try not to go outside the line so it will look more beautiful and realistic. Okay, yeah, so and okay, all around the carrot like that. Yeah, so once you draw the outlines of it, you'll be more like confident that you won't go outside of the lines. Yeah, so we have to just be thicker on it. We have to go much more thicker. Yes, like that, so it will create a shadow kind of effect to it. Yes, okay. Yeah, so we are done. Over here I'm going to use a different shade of the orange, maybe the lighter shade of the orange. You can see this one. Okay, yeah, so maybe try to merge this color with the darker one, so it will give it a more shady kind of effect. Okay, yeah, some part of it with a lighter orange, not the whole thing, but we can go with it. Yes, just like that. Yeah, so now I'm going to speed up the process of doing the color so it will not get bored. Yeah, we're almost done with the body of the carrot. And try to be, when you color the carrot, try to be on same strokes. Like when you go upside down strokes, you have to be on the same thing of the whole carrot, otherwise it looks messy and doesn't look good. So we are done with the lighter shade of the orange. Try to give it more shades like that, maybe on the upper side of the carrot. and try to merge it with the lighter shade of the orange. You see, as I'm merging it right now. Okay. So when you do the darker shade, then lighter shade, and then darker shade, it will give you the more beautiful colors on it, as you are making the real carrot like that. Yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm getting the real orange of the carrot right now. Okay. Then we're almost done with the coloring part of the body. Okay. And try to go in the same direction for the strokes like that. So we are done with the carrot body. Now we are going to do its leaves. So over here as well, the same thing. We are going to do the lighter orange on the top part of the leaves. Okay, and yeah, the top part of the leaves goes with the lighter ones. Okay, and maybe I'm gonna do the most of the part with these lighter one. And then we are going to use a darker shade of the green in the middle part of the leaves, just like that. So it gives a shadow kind of effect to it. Yes, now we are trying to merge both of it, just like that. Okay. Yeah, we are going to merge it. Yes. So as you guys can see, there is a darker shade of the green at the bottom of the leaves, so it gives a shadow kind of effect to it. Now it's time to highlight our our orange with the darker shades like that. Like that. You just have to draw lines on it, so it will look more detailed. Like that. Okay. Not too thick and not too thin, so it will look when you draw it. Now we are going to draw a heart and a stars outside of it, like that. Like that. And now we are going to color it with the hearts with orange, the darker one. Yeah. And the star with the lighter green. Now it's time to draw the thicker outlines, as I said, with the marker like this. So when we are drawing the carrot at that time, if we did some mistake, it can be covered up with this marker. See, when I'm coloring the carrot, the ink got spread inside the leaves. So when we do it with the marker, it's gonna cover it up. Yeah. So now we're going to outline the body of the carrot. Now it's time to do the heart, this star, and this heart. And now our drawing is completed. I hope you guys like it. If you like the drawings, you can subscribe, like, and share my video so that you can get more videos like that in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.